Hello guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I like to share a really elegant candle stand using items from Dollar Tree. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. I'll be using the circle mirror in this glass. I remove the frame and spray painted silver and add additional glue to the mirror. Next, I went on and glued both of the pieces together using excessive amount of glue. Next, I'll go ahead and use those party silver picks that I got from Dollar Tree. I'll remove the printy part of them and just glue the remaining part all around the circle. This part is very time consuming, but however, the end result is very stunning. However, it will make it a lot easier to snap off all the tips first, and like that you'll have everything ready and just start gluing. Here, don't forget to hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. Once I was done with putting all the picks around the circle, I'll go ahead and use some rhinestone and just glue it in the middle. Since the inside of the mirror frame is looking a little plain, I'll be using acrylic gems and I'll go ahead and glue them all around. those jewel borders, and this time I'll go ahead and put it right on the inner of the mirror. The last thing I'll do is clean my mirror, and voila, this project turned out so beautiful and it was really fun to make. This project turned out so beautiful. It can be used as a candle holder and or perfume holder. Either way, it will make a good addition to your home decor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.